Hello everyone, this side Anjali. I'm happy to share that recently I have qualified UGC NET LS December 2023. A huge thanks to entire team of ASS Science Foundation for their support, guidance to throughout my journey. I would like to special thanks to Dr. Gaurav Sharma sir, Ali sir, Sumit sir, Tanya ma'am and Manisha ma'am for their guidance and motivation. ASS Science Foundation provided a study kit which is very precise and to the point. You no need to study any other textbook and any other study material. Their study kit includes four colored booklets, which is precise and to the point. It also includes a supplementary book and a question bank from year 2012 2023. It was enough study material for cracking your exam. If you really want to qualify NET LS or JRF, I highly recommend to join ASS Science Foundation. And at last, once again, thank you, entire team of ASS Science Foundation, for making my dream come true. Thank you.